Hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Tom Peter and this is my gymnastic rings workout for beginners. I'm going to show you all the exercises and give you some technique tips throughout. If you look in the description, you'll see the reps, sets and rest times. Let's get into it. First up, we're going to start with straight arm hold. This is great for straight arm strength and shoulder stability. We're going to do 3 sets of 30 seconds, or if you can't make 30 seconds, as close to it as you can get. Now we're moving on to an inverted row, which is a great exercise for the back and biceps. If you want to make the exercise harder, you just walk forwards and go more horizontal. If you want to make it easier, just go more upright. We want to do 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets. Now we're moving on to leg assisted ring dips. You can use as much help as you need for your legs. So I'd start out with your feet quite close in. Straight arm hold to start with. You're going to drop your elbows back, keep them tucked in. Your ring should touch the top of your bicep and then press. Slight external rotation at the top. If you want to make it more challenging, we can walk our feet further out. Now we're going to do some ring assisted pistol squats. We're going to do 5 reps per leg and repeat that for 3 sets. Next, we're going to do some ring push-ups. We're going to do 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Here we've got some hanging knee raises. You're going to do 6 to 8 reps, getting your knees as high up towards your chest as you can and controlling the way down. So that's the whole workout. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and support the channel. I'm going to create a follow along video to this called Intermediate Gymnastic Rings Workout. So make sure you check that out. I'll put a link in the description. If you're enjoying the content, please do subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And comment with how you found these. And are there any other beginner rings exercises that you love to do? See you soon.